Hello guys, welcome back to another tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to use calculator on phone. Open your calculator app on your phone. On most phones, the calculator app is pre-installed and can be found on the home screen or in the app drawer. If you can't find the calculator app, you can download one from your phone from App Store or from Play Store. To enter a number, simply tap the corresponding digit on the calculator. If you make a mistake while entering a number, you can erase it by tapping the backspace button. Okay, now I am going to show you how to perform calculations on your calculator app. In your calculation app, you can perform calculations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, and also division. So to do this, tap on the appropriate operator on the calculator. After entering the numbers and the operator, tap on the equals button to get the result. To clear the calculator, tap on clear button or the all clear button. Okay, now I am going to show you how to use advanced functions. Some calculator apps have advanced functions such as square root, percentage, exponent, and trigonometric functions. These functions are usually located in a secondary menu or accessible by swapping left or right on the calculator. So that's all about calculator app. Hope this video was helpful for you guys. See you in the next video.